Okay, so we are done with our operations of integers, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Okay, so I will teach you now some techniques on the operations of integers, series of numbers. Okay, I will give an example. 10 minus 10 minus negative 10 plus negative 10 minus negative 10. Okay, so subtraction, addition, we have some rules. Rules in adding integers, rules in subtracting integers. What we are doing before is we have to change the sign of the subtrahend into plus, then proceed to addition, change the sign of the subtrahend, proceed to addition. Now I will give you technique. It's our secret. Okay. So what I'm doing is I usually multiply signs. You know the rule in multiplying integers. Negative times negative will become positive because there is a number 1 here. It's just invisible. Okay, so this is negative 1 and this is also negative 1. So we have to multiply. So this will become what? This will become 10 minus 10. Negative times negative will become positive. Positive times negative will become negative. Negative times negative will become positive. Okay, next technique. 10 minus 10, 0. Minus 10 plus 10, 0. So the answer is 10. Okay? So for the long process, we have to do like this. 10 minus 10, this will become positive, plus positive 10, plus minus 10, plus positive 10. If we have to follow the rules in subtraction. But my technique is apply the rule of multiplication of integers. So negative times negative will become positive, negative times positive will become negative, negative times negative will become positive. So the final answer is 10. Okay, next. Uh, 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus negative 4 minus 5 minus negative 6. Okay, series of numbers again. Plus negative 4 minus negative 6. You have to change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Okay, my technique. I will show you my technique. Okay, 1 plus 2 minus 3. Positive times negative will become negative. Negative 5, negative times negative will become positive. Combine all the positive. 1 plus 2 plus 6 equals 9. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5 will become negative 12. Okay. Different sign, subtract. 12 minus 9 is 3. Then follow the sign of the greater number. The answer is negative 3. Can you follow? Okay. Again, 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus negative 4, negative 5, minus 5 minus negative 6. The usual way of solving this is we have to use the rule of subtraction. Negative is we have to add, then change the sign of the subtrahend. A lot of rules. So my technique is positive times negative will become negative, negative times negative will become positive. Then number series, combine all the positive. 1, 2, and 6 are positive. Combine. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Combine. Then 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9. Negative 3 plus negative 4 plus negative 5, negative 12. Then that's the time you have to simplify. Positive 9, negative 12, different signs. We have to subtract the absolute value. 12 minus 9 is 3. Then follow the sign of the greater number. Okay? So, another one. Let's try 9 minus negative 8 minus negative 7 minus 6 plus negative 5. Okay, my technique. Okay. 9 negative times negative will become positive. Negative times negative will become positive. Then copy the negative 6. Positive times negative is negative. Combine. 9 plus 8 plus 7. 9 plus 8. 17 plus 7 will become 24. Negative 6, negative 11 will become, negative 6, negative 5 will become negative 11. Combine 24 minus 11, 13. Final answer. It's as simple as that. Okay, so that's enough.